Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to activate alert mode on MetaTrader 5. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open the MetaTrader 5 application on your computer. Once the application launches, you'll need to access a feature called Toolbox. This is an essential panel that houses various functionalities including alerts, which is exactly what we need for this tutorial. If you don't see the Toolbox panel at the bottom of your screen, don't worry. Simply press Ctrl and T on your keyboard simultaneously and the toolbox will appear. This panel is where you'll manage all your alerts and monitor important trading information. Now that you have the toolbox open, direct your attention to the bottom section of this panel. You'll see several tabs available, and you need to click on the one labeled Alerts. This tab is specifically designed for managing all your price alerts and notifications, giving you more control over your trading strategy. Once you're in the Alerts tab, right-click anywhere within this section. A context menu will appear with several options. From this menu, click on Create. This action opens up the alert configuration window where you can customize exactly how you want to be notified about market movements. In the configuration window, you'll first see a drop-down menu labeled Action. Click on this drop-down and you'll be presented with multiple notification options including sound, file, mail, or notifications. Choose the one that best suits your needs. For example, selecting sound will play an audio alert, while mail will send you an email notification. Next, locate the drop-down menu labeled Symbol. Click on it and choose the trading symbol you want to monitor. This could be any currency pair, stock, or commodity available on your platform. Selecting the right symbol ensures you're tracking the exact market you're interested in. Now move to the Source drop-down menu and click on it. Here you can select Alert as your source option. This determines how the alert system will monitor your chosen symbol and trigger notifications based on your conditions. In the Timeout field, click on it and choose a time duration such as 10 seconds. This setting controls how frequently the alert checks the market conditions you've specified, ensuring you don't miss important price movements. You can also input an expiration date or time in the expiration field. This allows you to set when the alert should automatically stop monitoring, which is useful if you only want to track conditions for a specific period. Next, click on the Condition drop-down menu. Here you can choose a specific condition like bid greater than. This determines the exact market scenario that will trigger your alert, giving you precise control over when you want to be notified. After setting your condition, input a specific value in the Value field. This is the price level that, when met, will activate your alert based on the condition you selected earlier. Finally, click on the Maximum Iterations field and choose a number like 10. This setting controls how many times the alert will trigger before it automatically stops, preventing you from being overwhelmed with repeated notifications. Once you've configured all these settings to your preference, click the OK button to save and activate your alert. Your alert is now active and will notify you whenever your specified conditions are met. And that's it. You've successfully set up an alert in MetaTrader 5 to monitor your trading positions. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.